Imagine yourself in this Ford 2019 F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, conventional spare tire, tow hooks, intermittent wipers and variable speed intermittent wipers. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.